If you're experiencing crashing issues with Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 in the library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game and go to the graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Sometimes high settings can cause performance problems on certain hardware. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that consume a lot of resources. This can free up memory and processing power, reducing the likelihood of crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.